Meaning of discouraged.
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 Discouraged. The term discouraged refers to the feeling of disappointment, loss of confidence or enthusiasm, and a lack of motivation or encouragement. People can become discouraged for various reasons, such as setbacks, failures, or negative feedback. When someone feels discouraged, they may lose the drive to continue pursuing their goals or feel hopeless about their future prospects. This state of mind can hinder their ability to achieve success and may lead to a sense of despair. Therefore, it is essential to address and overcome discouragement by seeking support, practicing self-care, and adopting a growth mindset.